Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Behind me we have a 2023 next generation. It's a Kenworth T680 that is in charcoal phantom gray and colossal blue on the bottom skirts. As you can see behind, we're kind of going a blackout theme on this thing. You can see the wheel behind me. But when you order the black Alcoas, you can see they have a polished lip, and then of course the center's all polished and machined on both the back and rear. So in today's video, we are going to be throwing on some United Pacific front axle covers and the rears, because let's face it, we can't have it. The customer is also getting the steps powder coated black. We are vinyl wrapping the side piece, the handles on the sleeper and on the door handle. It was supposed to have the black LED with the running lights, but unfortunately Kenworth has kind of put a hold on those because they are out of product. We're also wrapping the black, this grill shell black. As you can see, it does have the black inserts on the grill. There'll be a full video on this truck coming soon. Sorry guys, we've been super busy. The truck content's kind of been hit and miss lately, but we're gonna throw these nut covers on and hope you guys enjoy. So on the fronts we have, of course we have instructions. They're pretty simple though. It's a plastic rim protector, there's a road protector, and then our lugs. So you guys can see here, there's a plastic rim protector. Throw that on there like so. Then there's the actual cap itself. Goes on like so. As you guys can see the difference from the stock look to after we install the nut covers to the aftermarket finish, that is a lot better from all angles, more blacked. But we're gonna get the rears on real quick and we'll go from there. So again, like the front, there's a clear plastic cover that goes over, and you put your big cap. As you guys can see, a major difference from that to that. I mean, of course we'll get some better pictures. Like I said, there's a full video coming on this truck. It's just getting these covered. I mean, even stepping way back here, guys, major difference. I don't know if it comes through in the little lens, but that's a major difference from those two, just those two wheels. Just having that shininess in the barrel and on the front just kills it. But we'll get the rest of these knocked out and we'll be back. We'll get this last axle on, and kind of curious what the customer says about keeping them clean, but I guess we'll see on that. As you open your box, you'll have your big cover, your plastic protector, which goes on first. So that goes on. So once you get your protector on, put your big cap. Over. Stand up, grab one of your lugs. Hope you guys enjoyed. Consider subscribing. It helps the channel out. Shows YouTube you guys like it, and it's free. So what can go wrong? But if you guys enjoyed that content, there's a lot more truck content coming, especially on this truck behind me. We still have to wrap all the chrome tidbits black, gloss black, kind of do some murder out theme on this deal, and keep moving forward on this one. And like I said, there'll be a full video on this truck coming soon. Consider subscribing. Helps the channel out. Hope to catch you guys on the next one. But as you guys can see, the aftermath looks a lot better than when we started this video. See you guys on the next one. Check out the video over here. Hit the subscribe button over there if you haven't already done it down there. Thank you. Bye.